Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to make black forest from the available ingredient at home. So I'm not a professional, but I will try to make it like little closer to the cake which is available in market. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you very much.
Now friends, let's take 250 gram of all-purpose flour, and I wanted to add one more thing friends. If you're making layered cake, then please increase the ingredients in double, and then take two separate baking pan. Divide the ingredients whichever we have mixed into two equal parts and bake it separately. Now add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and sieve it. Now take 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add in this. Then half teaspoon of salt. Friends, this is very important to sieve all the dry ingredients so that the cake become very fluffy. Friends, let's add 2 eggs. If you're a vegetarian, you can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd and whisk it properly. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and mix it. Now let's add 8 tablespoons of sugar and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix the dry ingredients now. Now pour the milk slowly, and part by part you have to pour it, or not in one go. We have to mix it until it's become very smooth. Now it is done. Now I have applied oil on the pan, and then I'm using parchment paper. Just pour it slowly. Let's tap the pan for 5 to 6 times so that the bubble comes out. Now I have preheated the oven at 160 degree for 7 minutes, and let's bake it for 30 minutes at 160 degree. Now guys, let's make ganache. For that, take 300 ml of heavy cream and whisk it. Remember one thing friends, while you're whisking, you should checking that whisk it proper, or it's too thick. You should not make it too thick before adding the cocoa powder. Friends, if you don't want chocolate flavor in this ganache, you can just whip for 30 seconds and then add sugar, approximate 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and your ganache is done. You can apply on the cake. Now I have added 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder and 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you want to add more of sugar, you can add 2 more spoons. You can use 6 tablespoons of sugar. And whisk it for approximate 30 seconds, not more than that. Now we are done. Ganache is ready. So thickness is okay, perfectly okay. I prepare sugar syrup to apply on the cake before I put this ganache on the cake. For sugar syrup, we will take 5 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and dilute the sugar in that water and start applying on the cake. melted some dark chocolate and then put it on the top and some sprinkles. Now it is done. It's looking very yum. Let's try.
The sweetness is lesser than the market cake, and it's actually really delicious with the less sugar. It's scrumptious.